Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're old, you're still welcome. Today, we're putting two power pack devices against each other, the Redmi Note 14 and the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. Now, I know what you're thinking. Aren't they from the same series? How different can they be? Well, the answer is very different. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea which of them deserve your hard-earned cash. So guys, stick around to the end of this video to find out. Guys, let's roll. Let's kick things off with the design. Both phones features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a sleek, nice and stunning colors. However, the Note 14 Pro Plus edges ahead with its curved edge-to-edge display, giving it a more premium feel. The Note 14 on the other hand keeps things simple with its matte back, lightweight, fingerprint resistant and perfect for one-hand use. Meanwhile, the Pro Plus takes things up a notch in the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for added durability. Don't get me wrong, the Note 14 also has Gorilla Glass 5, so if you want a sleek and premium design, the Note 14 Pro Plus is the winner. But the Note 14 holds its own for a more practical day-to-day device. Now, let's move to the screen because, to be honest, that's where our eyes are 90% of the time. Both phones boast of a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, meaning everything from scrolling through TikTok to gaming feels smooth. Colors pop beautifully and you get that classic AMOLED contrast with deep blacks and vibrant tones. But the Pro Plus takes things a step further. It offers a peak brightness of 3000 nits, so even under direct or harsh sunlight, you won't squint your eyes to look at the screen. It also supports a 12-bit color, giving it a more vibrant and true-to-life visuals, perfect for watching Netflix or editing photos. Now let's talk about the downsides. The Note 14 has this big bezel that actually feels chunky, which has actually taken away that immersive viewing experience. For the Note 14 Pro Plus, it has a slim bezel that melts into the screen. It's a small difference, but it makes the Pro Plus feels more modern. Now, for performance, the Redmi Note 14 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, which is great. It is perfect for daily tasks like scrolling, texting, light gaming and watching videos. I even played Asphalt 8 on it and it handles it well, though it's warmed up after extended gameplay. The Note 14 Pro Plus took the performance to another level with a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset. Built on a 4nm process, it's optimized for power and efficiency. Whether it's Call of Duty, multitasking or running heavy tasks, this phone breezes through. On the Pro Plus, I ran Call of Duty on high settings and wow, no lags, smooth gameplay and the screen response time was excellent. The Note 14 on the other hand tried its best, but you notice that occasional lags here and there if you push it too hard. When it comes to the RAM and the storage, the Note 14 Pro Plus has an upper hand here. It has up to 12GB of RAM compared to the 6GB and 8GB of RAM on the Note 14. And for storage, the Note 14 Pro Plus gives you a 512GB internal storage, while the Note 14 tops out at lower options. For software, both devices runs on Android 14 with HyperOS, Xiaomi newest operating system. It's clean, fast, and filled with useful features like AI tools for editing, sky replacement for instance, and customizable widgets and themes. Now let's talk about the camera. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is equipped with a 200MP main sensor with OIS, meaning optical image stabilization, which I didn't see the effect, alongside with the 8MP ultra wide and 2MP macro lens. This setup is nice for capturing detailed shots and wide angle photos. I did not really see that impact here, but it is doable. The Note 14 on the other hand offers a 108MP main camera paired with a 2MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. While it performed great, and I actually love most of its pictures compared to that of the Pro Plus, I'll still give it a pass. For selfie, both phones spot a 20MP front camera, and the sad part of it is that none of them shoots 4K for the front-facing camera, but the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus supports 4K for its RAW recording. Guys, what do you think about these images and videos from both devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Battery-wise, the Note 14 houses a 5500 mAh battery with a 33 watts fast charging, enough to last a day or two depending on the user. while the Note 14 Pro Plus supports a slightly smaller 5110 mAh battery, but compensated with a mind-blowing 120 watts fast charging brick, which will actually take your device less than an hour to charge from 0 to 100. Both devices are reliable, but if you're always on the go, the Note 14 Pro Plus has an edge with a faster charging. For additional features, the Note 14 Pro Plus throws in some extra picks like an IP68 ratings for water and dust resistance, Dolby Atmos audio, and Xiaomi's new charging speed control features. The Note 14 sticks to the basics but doesn't compromise on essentials like the Aero Blaster or stereo speakers. Now for the price, the Note 14 is around 330,000 naira, which is about $200, which is fantastic for students, casual users, or budget-conscious users. While the Note 14 Pro Plus goes for about 730,000 naira, which is about $450, and it's ideal for gamers, heavy users, or those seeking premium features. So which one should you choose? I would say you should go for the Note 14 if you want a reliable, budget-friendly phone with great performance and solid camera. Or better still, you can choose the Note 14 Pro Plus if you're someone who's after edge-cutting features, better performance, and doable camera. So that's it. I'll call it a wrap. Let me know which of them you pick in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share these videos to friends, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye and bye.